Hello students, we have already learned how to solve determinants of order 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 in the module 1 of determinants. Today we are going to learn the application of determinants. The first application is to find area of a triangle in two-dimensional geometry. This you have already done in class 10th by using this formula where A, B, C are the vertices of the triangle. A is x1, y1 in the coordinate geometry, B is x2, y2 and C is x3, y3, and this was the formula you learned in class 10th also to find the area of a triangle. Here in class 12th we are going to use determinant to solve the area of triangle. This is represented by delta. Delta means the area of the triangle ABC. It is represented as half. Then the determinant, which includes the first row, x1 y1 is the first coordinate, x2 y2 is the second coordinate, and x3 y3 is the third coordinate in the third row, and the third column must be 1 1 1. If you write in this particular manner and you solve, expand along this column 1. If you expand along the column 1, you can easily see that if you solve it, x1 into y2 minus y3, then minus x2, then y1 minus y3, here it is written y3 minus y1 because it is plus x2 here, and then plus x3 into y1 minus y2. The way we used to solve determinants, if you solve it along the column 1, you will get this formula which you have learnt in class 10th. So now you don't have to remember this formula. You have to simply write half in front of the determinant, write the coordinates x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3, and the third column is 1 1 1. If you solve this determinant, you will get the area of the triangle ABC. The only thing you should know is the vertices A, B and C. Let us see it by an example. Find the area of triangle with vertices 5 4, minus 2 comma 4 and 2 comma minus 6. So it is very easy to solve this. If you want to find the area of triangle ABC, half, then the determinant, the first coordinate is 5 4, here it is written in the first row, then minus 2 4 in the second row, and 2 comma minus is written in the third row. The last column should be 1 1 1. Then you solve it as we have learnt in the module 1. 5 multiplied by 4 minus minus 6, that is 4 plus 6, then minus 4, I am solving it along the first row, minus 4, changing the sign, minus 4 into minus 2, that is minus 4 here, then plus 1 into 12 minus 8, minus 2 into minus 6, 12, 12 minus 8, that is 4. So if you solve it, you will get 70 divided by 2, that is 35 square units is the area of the triangle. So it is very simple to find the area of the triangle using determinants. You can practice it with other examples also. Another application of determinants is to find the equation of line. Here you can see a line ABP. I have taken 2 points on it, x1 y1 and x2 y2. This we used to do in class 11. If 2 points A and B are given on a line, we use the 2-point form in straight lines to find the equation of line. But here we are going to use determinant. You can see AB are 2 points given here, x1 y1 and x2 y2, and to find the equation of line we should take a point P on it. This is the point P, which is the moving point, which will give you the equation. So it is x comma y, the locus of points on the line. So P is the moving point, xy. So now we have 3 points A, B and P, x1 y1, x2 y2 and xy. So using these 3 points, I can find the area of the triangle, and you can see that these 3 points are not forming a triangle, they are collinear. So therefore their area will be 0. So I am taking the same formula, half, then the determinant x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1 equal to 0, because the area is now 0. So I put the area of the triangle ABP as 0. Now xy is the coordinate of P, x1 y1 is the coordinate of A, x2 y2 is the coordinate of B. Now if you solve this half, you can take this 2 on the other side, 2 into 0, it will become 0. So this is the formula which you can apply to find the equation of line in terms of x and y. The answer you will get in terms of x and y. Using this we can find the equation of line. So determinants can be also used to find the equation of line. We can see it by an example. There are 2 points A 1 3 and B 0 0, 2 points on the line, and we have to find the equation of line. So what I have done is I have taken these points A, B and P. P is the moving point x comma y, and A, B, P is the line. So its area will be 0. So I put half x, y, 1. The x, y is the coordinate of P. 1 3 is the coordinate of A, and 0 0 is the coordinate of B. 1 1 1 is the last column. So area of triangle equal to 0, because they are forming a line. So which will give you 3x minus y is equal to 0. If you solve it along the third row, you can directly see 3x minus y is equal to 0. 3x minus y equal to 0 is the equation of line. If the area of triangle is given somewhere, you can also find the point, unknown point. Here you can see there's another part of this question. Find k if d k comma 0 is a point such that area of triangle ABD. A, B and D are 3 points and its area is given 3. Because we know that we are solving the determinant can be any real number, so we have to take this area as plus minus 3. So this is 3, so I have taken it as plus minus 3. Now we can find the area of triangle ABD. These are the coordinates of A 1 3, coordinate of B 0 0, and coordinate of D k 0. We have to find this unknown k. So area of triangle is half the determinant equal to plus minus 3. I have taken this 2 on the other side. This will become plus minus 6, and then solve this. If you solve this along the second row, you will get 0 minus 3k, that is minus 3k, and because this at this point we have to change the sign, so it will become plus 3k. 3k is equal to plus minus 6, which will give you the value of k, that is plus minus 2. So whenever the area is given, you have to take it as plus minus of the given value, so that you get two values, k is equal to, so plus minus 2. That is, if k is 2, then also you will get the area 3, and if k is minus 2, then also you will get the area as 3.